team, take out every motherfucker between. Know what I mean? Better myself, better my aim, better my rep, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame. Never thought I would it, now I'm running this. You don't wanna follow me, no motherfucking running this. I ran in the trouble with the truth, trying to get it what it does. Battling and I ain't never lose. We some motherfucking like a Hellcat.
So, unang-unang gagawin is mag-download ka ng Easy Recorder sa Play Store and then you install it. Buksan mo, i-open mo yung application, tapos itong settings, buksan mo yan, tapos i-click mo itong camera, yan yung camera, tapos automatic na siyang lalabas na yung mukha mo dyan, face cam, front cam and back cam. So, yan yung mukha ko. Tapos, buksan mo na yung games mo. For example, buksan natin yung Mobile Legend. Ayan. Tapos, pwede mo siyang igalaw-galaw. Saan mo gusto niyo pwesto yung mukha mo. Ayan. Lagay ko sa bottom left. Pero, hindi ko papakita yung mukha ko. Kaya, backcam ko na lang. Ayan, yung backcam. Press mo lang. Ayan. Presto. Tapos, pwede ka nang maglaro. Ayan, laro ka na. Let's do this.
Warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it. Throw down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim, you duck, I squeeze, now you invisible. I'm not afraid of getting physical. All these different chemicals are fogging up my visuals. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we some warriors, they ain't called gunners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Put on my strap, put on the beat, put on the map, put on my team. Take out every motherfucker in between. Know what I mean? Better myself, better my aim, better my rep, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame. Never thought I would it, now I'm running this. You don't wanna follow me, no motherfucking running this. I ran in the trouble with the truth, trying to get it what it does. Battling and I ain't never lose. We some motherfucking warriors. Cover the map and still ain't know where you can find me at. Journey through the mind of an insomniac. I ain't never sleep, staying ready, keep an eye out for the fakes. For the snakes, load a clip and I'ma pull it, something shakes. Never go to battle if you plan to lose. Life a game of chess, you gotta plan the moves. Middle fingers up, I'm not a fan of rules. Fighting for the right to live in peace and not like animals. Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners. You'll be notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners. You'll be some warriors, they ain't no gunners. Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners. Bloods in my hands, got slugs in my gunners. Put on my strap, put on my beam, put on the map, put on my team. Take out every motherfucker in between. Know what I mean? Better myself, better my aim, better my rep, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame. Never thought I would it, now I'm running this. You don't wanna follow me, no motherfucker running this. I ran in the trouble with the truth, trying to get it what it does. Battling and I ain't never lose. We some motherfucking warriors.
never die. When the world is calling you, can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die, they become a part of you. Every time you bleed for reaching greatness, relentless, you survive. They never lose hope when everything's cold and the fighting's near. It's deep in their bones, they'll rot into smoke when the fire is fierce. Oh, pick yourself up, 'cause legends never die. When the world is calling you, can you hear them screaming out
Okay. So, pagkatapos mo na yan, tapos na yung laro, gusto mo nang stop, click mo lang yan, then stop. Tapos, mas automatic na siya masisave sa gallery mo niyan. So, very simple. And pwede mo na siyang i-upload sa Facebook or YouTube or anything, anywhere.